How to transfer Google Photos from one phone to another phone. Firstly, you have to take your two phones and you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store. This feature can be applied on the Android and on iPhone. You can transfer the Google Photos from one phone to another phone. You have to install the Google Photos app on the both phones, and you can see here, just you have to log your ID here and you have to take the photos in your Google Photos account. Now you have to move that photos on the delete option. In this way that will move to the trash, and on other phone you have to turn on. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. On the another phone or iPhone, you have just to log in your Google Photos account and you have to move here library. You can see here trash icon, click on it and you will find all the photos. And now you have to restore your photos from here and move it to your gallery. In this way you will take your Google Photos from one phone to another phone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.